Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a makeup tutorial. I think I'm going to do something bold, not really sure yet, but we're just gonna roll with it. I'm gonna be trying some new products. I think I'm gonna fix my brows first because I had them done for a video I filmed earlier and they got a little ruined. My go-to brow product right now is the Colourpop Brow Boss, which is bomb. I might actually do my eyes first anyways because I really want to use some new glitters that I have. We shall see. Okay, I'm going to carve out my brows real quick. And I'm gonna take that same concealer and just conceal my eyelid because I'm just gonna do my eyes first since I'm using possibly a glitter product, so it'll just make it easier. I don't have to clean up, you know, fallout on foundation or anything like that. I wasn't really sure what palette to use, but I think I'm gonna use the Desert Dusk palette because I don't think I've used this in a tutorial on my channel yet, even though I've had it. I've honestly barely used it because I haven't really been wearing makeup that much, so you can tell it's like barely touched. But it's a pretty palette. So I'm gonna go in with Desert Sand, which is just like a nude shade, and I'm just going to set my entire lid so that the concealer like isn't wet and like sticking to any of the shadows that I'm going to apply over. Because if you just go right in with eyeshadow like after you put in concealer, if the concealer is like kind of creamy or wet, it can make the eyeshadow harder to blend because the eyeshadow will be, you know, kind of grabbing onto the concealer. So this way everything's powdered and smooth. I'm gonna go in with Musk first, which is like this grayish shade, and I'm just going to use that as a transition shade. And I'm just going to blend that into the crease of my eye using windshield wiper motions back and forth. And this is just a fluffy brush from Makeup Addiction Cosmetics. And I'm just trying to build that up a little bit. It's not like super pigmented or anything, but you will possibly look like the undead for a few minutes during this look. Now I'm gonna go in with Amethyst. And I'm going to kind of put it in my crease, but a little bit lower. This is this brush is from Creme, and it's the C441 brush. Now I think I'm going to take the dark brown shade in the palette, and I'm just going to apply that to the outer corners. Then I'm going to take Twilight, which is this shade, with my finger, and I'm just going to apply it to like the center of the lid, I guess. And I applied that to the center because I'm going to go in with this eye candy flaky glitter in Spellbound, and I'm going to apply it to like the inner corner. So this is what the glitter looks like. It definitely resembles the Stila Kitten foiled eyeshadow. So I'm going in with this extremely dirty e.l.f. glue glitter primer. This stuff is pretty thick. And then I'm going to use this eye candy glitter application brush, and I'm just going to apply that straight to my lid where I want the flaky glitter to go. And then I'm going to take some more onto my brush and then just dip it into the glitter. and apply. Next, I'm going to do mascara and lashes. I'm not going to do liner because I don't want to hide the pigment. For lashes, I'm going to be using Creative Soul Cosmetics lashes in the style Vintage. Oh yeah, so I wanted to tell you guys while my lashes are drying, even though I love makeup and all that, I also kind of have like a weird passion obsession with like true crime and like unsolved mysteries and that kind of stuff. And I've been thinking about uploading some videos, maybe like once in a while, about like true crime stories and kind of just starting a discussion with you guys, because I'm always like wanting to talk about these things and like no one around me is interested, or like, you know, it's just like whatever. They're not as like passionate or like, you know, obsessed with this kind of stuff as me. So I was thinking if you guys are interested, I could like post and then we could like kind of discuss our thoughts like in the comments about like who we think did the crime or like where those people are and things like that. So if you guys would be interested in that, let me know. Like this video, I think I'm going to film one tomorrow just for the hell of it and like upload it, and if you guys hate it, I'll just be like, okay, bye. Like I'll take it down. But if you guys do like it, then I'll continue doing it, because I do have other likes and passions than just makeup. I don't know, just an idea. Let me know what you guys think. And it helps to look down into a mirror and apply the lashes as close to your lash line as possible. I use tweezers. You can use your fingers, but I feel like a tool is definitely easier. Either tweezers or a lash tool, which I've never tried. And since I didn't put on liner, I used a clear eyelash glue. Let's just work on the face now. I've already applied tons and tons of moisturizer because I did a skincare video before this one, so we're good to go on that. But I am going to take this new CoverGirl. It's part of their new like revamped collection. This is the Vitalist Go Glow Luminizing Lotion in the shade Daybreak. And I'm guessing it's just like a luminizer, so we'll just use that as a primer. Smells like old makeup. Not like old makeup, but like it smells like what my makeup in high school used to smell like that old drugstore makeup kind of smell. It's kind of nostalgic actually, I like it. Okay, definitely see a little bit of a glow happening. Not bad, I like the texture. It feels nice and smooth. And then I'm gonna go in with my Milk Blur Stick because it's life. And basically you just apply this where your pores are large or where you get oily. It helps to control oil and it also fills in your pores. This stuff is seriously amazing. It just makes your face so freaking smooth, it's crazy. There's no like new foundation that I have that I really feel like trying out today, so I'm just gonna use my NYX Total Coverage Drops. And this is the shade Nude. Oh my god. One piece of advice with this foundation, do not, and I repeat, do not get it on your clothes because it does not come off. And I just seriously just felt some like fly somewhere and I don't know where it is. I hope it's not on this shirt because I actually like this shirt. It is a little light, but we're gonna warm up the face and everything anyways, so should be good. But look at the coverage. The coverage is really, really nice. It's just a little drying, little drying. I think I'm going to go in with this new CoverGirl Vital Healthy Concealer. I don't really know how I feel about it, but let's just do it, I guess. How does this work? Oh, there it goes. You have to turn it like 1,000 times before it works. There it comes. Right off the bat, this reminds me almost exactly of the LA Girl HD concealers, like even the color. I think for porcelain, this is like spot on. The texture definitely seems similar too. It's like not too thick, almost kind of liquidy. A concealer that brightens your complexion and improves skin texture. Also infused with vitamins. For me, it's probably a no. I definitely am like more of a full coverage type under eye concealer. Like I can still see my bags right now, but we're just gonna roll with it. I don't want to put anything else on it because I want to see if it creases. That's my test for a good concealer. So I just applied my, what is this? No Color Powder, RCMA, just to set the under eyes and my forehead, my chin. I also inhaled like a lot of it. Okay, so this has been sitting here for a good minute. I'm just going to brush it off. And then I'm going to take my beauty blender, which is still damp, and I'm just going to basically pounce it over those areas where I used powder. And it's going to help to absorb all the excess powder that's still on my face. Because you know you can't see it, but then when you take a flash photo, it all goes downhill from there. And I really want to try this out. This is an e.l.f. Creme Contour Palette. I haven't tried it yet, but let's just give it a go. So I guess I'll just go in with like this shade. Yeah, this one's not too warm. What did I just say? I jinxed myself. I haven't cream contoured in so long, it's ridiculous. I'm gonna take a little bit of the darker shade and just kind of like add it to the points that are a little bit lower. There. Oh my god. I'm not even kidding, this is actually like blending out really nicely. Whoa. Holy crap, I'm like really impressed right now. Whoa. That blended out so nice. So nice. And I'm gonna just set the contour with this Too Faced milk chocolate bronzing powder, just because I don't really know how the cream is gonna last, so we'll just do that so that it doesn't like crease and get all weird. I'm also gonna be using an e.l.f. palette, e.l.f. blush palette. I'm gonna just use this shade right here. I'm just gonna spritz my brush, and then I'm gonna use this J.Cat You Glow Girl Baked Highlighter in Crystal Sand. Super gorgeous highlighter, it's only a few dollars. Now I'm gonna go into the under area of my eyes, and I'm first going to take that musk shade that we used. I'm basically just repeating the same steps but on the lower lash line. So I'm gonna blend out musk first. And then I'm going to go in with Amethyst, which is that purple shade. And then I'm gonna take that dark brown shade in the palette and then just kind of blend that into the outer corner of the lower lash line. Take a small brush, spritz it with the same rose spray, and then I'm gonna go back into that Twilight shade. Boom, boom. And I'm going to, oh, it doesn't come out with the brush. Not really. I'll try it. I'm gonna try to put it in the inner corner. Oh, okay. It's showing up. I used the Dose of Colors Sand Liquid Lipstick, which is my favorite nude, and this is the finished look. Alright guys, that's it for this tutorial. I really hope that you enjoyed. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and also let me know down in the comments below what you think. And I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Bye!